Hi everyone. I hope you have done the worksheet for the addition and subtraction of integers. It was a little long worksheet, but I hope you have already understood the concept. Even if you have not done the word problem, that's okay. But if you have solved the basic concept of how to do addition and how to do subtraction, then it's well clear and help you write the rule somewhere because it's going to be very useful. What we are going to do next is we are going to understand how to do multiplication and how to do division of integers. Okay, uh, I am not going to go in detail. This part of the worksheet is something you can try to do, but even if you skip, that's okay. Something that is very important to remember is first, if we multiply a positive integer to a negative integer, then what's the answer? So here, if you see, there is 115, which is positive integer, and then there is -4, which is negative integer. First step is to just multiply absolute values. Absolute values, again, if you go to the first worksheet, you remember absolute values matlab plus 3 ki absolute value is only 3. You remove the sign. And -3 ki absolute value is also 3, right? You remove the sign and whatever is left, that's the absolute value. So you first multiply the value. 15 ki will be 15 and -4 ki 4. So 15 4s are 60. And always remember, whenever there is one integer positive and second integer negative, plus multiply by minus is always minus. Similarly, here when there is negative integer and positive integer, first multiply the absolute value, and wherever there is one positive integer and second negative integer, or one positive and one negative, always the sign will be minus. So if I do here 124 into 1, first I'll just do 124 into 1, which is 124. Here 124 is plus and 1 is minus. I will put minus 124. Okay, always remember this. If there is a positive and a negative integer, we'll put negative. Okay, I hope you do this part of the worksheet, and this is going to be comparatively very shorter than the previous worksheet. Okay, there are not going to be a lot of things, and this is very easy. Multiplication is quite easier than addition. Similarly, if now there are two negative integers, what is the rule? So whenever there are two negative integers, what you do is first again multiply absolute values. So here see, there is a -15 and then there is a -4, which are both are negatives. First you will multiply just the absolute value. 15 into 4 is 60. But हमेशा याद रखना, जब भी there are two negative values, minus into minus, that becomes plus. So यहाँ पे -2 into -3, 6 3s are 18, and there are two minus. So minus into minus, minus multiplied by minus is हमेशा plus. So please always remember this rule. Whenever in multiplication and division also, whenever you are doing this, समझो there is one plus and one minus, then the answer is minus. But then there is one minus and other is also minus, and the answer is plus. और plus plus रहेगा तो plus ही आएगा. Always remember that. Okay, plus into plus is plus. I hope you remember this rule, which is, and then solve the sums for it. If I go ahead now, we are going to do multiplication of three integers. Now, दो integer तो देख लिए, तीन integer कैसा करना है? Suppose there are three integer, -4 into -3 into -2. Right? There are three integers. First, what we will do, we'll just multiply -4 into -3. ये forget this -2. First, just take these two numbers. So 4 into 3 will become 12, and minus into minus is plus. We saw last time, right? वो plus 12 बनता है. Now take the number that was left out. जो number को हमने नहीं लिया था. Then this is 12 into 2, 24, but 12 now is plus and this is minus. So plus into minus is minus. The answer will become -24. Similarly, if you do here, first two is the answer. This will be plus 12, right? Into -2 into -1, right? Then you will multiply this both and then uska answer with this. This is the way you're going to solve this, and similarly this sum. Okay, if I go down, now there is division. Division also the rule is same. Okay, the rule is not going to change. Rule same है, सिर्फ यहाँ वहाँ पे multiplication कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे division करना. For example, if there is negative integer divided by positive integer, so this is negative integer divided by positive integer. First you will divide the absolute values. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and एक पॉजिटिव रहेगा एक नेगेटिव रहेगा तो साइन क्या आएगा माइनस. सेम रूल एज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. एक प्लस है एक माइनस है तो साइन माइनस आएगा, दोनों माइनस है तो साइन प्लस आएगा. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट. एंड if I go down, similarly यहाँ पे I already told you what is this. When we divide two negative integers minus 15 and minus 3, first divide the integers. 15 into 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and दोनों some minus है तो it will become plus 5. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Similarly यहाँ पे भी एक प्लस एक माइनस है, it will become minus. I hope you do this. And then there is word problem. Word problem right now, I won't force you to do it, and that's why I'm not explaining this video, because it's a single video for all the kids. Try it, and if I will give the solutions for it, if you have any problem, please reach out to me or Didi. Okay, but try doing it. But please remember these rules and try to solve all the sums that are there before this. Okay, okay. Thank you. And next time we will do another worksheet.